south, so you can talk to your tour guide along the way. Tours are available between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. every day, so grab a brochure on board and start planning a whole new experience. Step off here for the heritage-listed cargo shed and enjoy a drink at one of the atmospheric bars located right on the waterfront. You can continue your journey to New Quay on foot with a 10-minute stroll along the water's edge. This stop is Central Pier and Harbour Esplanade. River and waterways have an important role in traditional culture and the history of Melbourne's development. These areas have been redeveloped and now provide some of the most contemporary entertainment destinations and examples of public art that the city has to offer. Stop is New Quay and Docklands Drive. New Quay is a popular dining destination and hotspot for after-work drinks. Enjoy international cuisine by the water, including Moroccan, Japanese, Greek, Spanish and glorious Mediterranean seafood. Indulge in fine dining overlooking the boats on Victoria Harbour, or grab a gelato and take a stroll harbourside and bask in a romantic sunset. Continue the wind down on Sunday at the Docklands Sunday Market. Browse an eclectic range of stalls along the promenade, or just sip a coffee and enjoy a lazy breakfast at one of the many cafes as you watch the market bustle. Located on the promenade, the market sells arts and crafts, second-hand items and clothes, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Sundays. This stop is New Quay and Docklands Drive. Guests will enjoy uninterrupted 360-degree views of up to 40 kilometres, encompassing the Docklands precinct, Melbourne CBD, Port Phillip Bay, and as far as Mount Macedon, Arthur's Seat, and the Dandenong Ranges. Melbourne start with the Southern Hemisphere's only giant observation wheel, and the first, more complex, solid steel wheel designed to be built in the world to this size. Medibank Icehouse is an entertainment venue that offers skating all day.